Imagine a new world. A world built online. You can go there right now. You can meet friends. You can play insane games. You can even build your own house. This isn't a movie. This is the metaverse. And it is getting bigger every single day. People are talking about it like it's the next internet, a brand new frontier. And just like any new frontier, there are huge opportunities. People are already making crazy amounts of money here. That's why you need to pay attention. Okay, let's keep it simple. The metaverse is a big word for a simple idea. It's a bunch of virtual worlds, all connected together. It's like a three-dimensional version of the internet. You can jump in and out of different places. Some places are for gaming, some are for hanging out with friends, some are even for work. You aren't just looking at a screen anymore. You are inside the experience. It feels real. It's a shared space where your digital self, your avatar, can live a life. It works by mixing a bunch of cool tech. You've heard of virtual reality, or VR. That's when you put on a headset and you're in a different world. Then there's augmented reality, or AR. That's when digital things get layered on top of the real world, like with Pokemon Go. The metaverse uses VR, AR, your computer, and your phone to let you connect to these digital spaces. Big companies like Meta, which owns Facebook and Microsoft, are spending billions and billions of dollars to build it. That's how you know it's a serious thing. So, why should you care? Because this is where money is starting to flow. In these virtual worlds, you can actually own things. For real. Not like owning a file on your computer. I mean really own it, thanks to something called blockchain and NFTs. This technology lets you have a unique digital item that nobody else can copy. It's like having the original copy of a famous painting, but it's digital. This is a total game changer for digital ownership. It's the engine that makes the metaverse economy run. Think of it like this. The internet right now is mostly flat. The metaverse is the next step. It's immersive. So, the big question. How do you actually make money in this new digital world? It's not as complicated as you think. There are a few main ways people are doing it right now. We're going to break down the 5 most common opportunities. Some are risky, some are a bit safer, but all of them are part of this new economy. The first one, buying virtual land. Yes, digital dirt. People are paying millions for it. The second, NFTs and digital assets. An NFT is a digital certificate of ownership for anything online, a piece of digital art, a unique skin for your avatar, a special sword in a game. Collectors treat them like baseball cards or sneakers, hoping value spikes. Some artists have become millionaires overnight selling NFTs. It's a wild, wild west. Third, investing in metaverse stocks and ETFs. You don't have to buy digital items. You buy shares in companies building the metaverse, companies making VR headsets, companies creating the software, gaming giants building the worlds, or buy an ETF, a basket of these stocks to spread risk. Finally, create and sell virtual goods or services. Be an early adopter. Musicians can hold virtual concerts, entrepreneurs can build games or experiences and charge entry. Early adopters might get land or items cheap that could become valuable. These are the battlegrounds where fortunes will be made and lost. Alright, let's talk about virtual land. This sounds insane, I know. Why would anyone pay real money for land that doesn't exist? But people are doing it. A lot. Decentraland, the sandbox. They are like digital cities. They sell plots of land as NFTs. Once you own a plot, it's yours. You can build whatever you want on it. A virtual house, a store, an art gallery, a crazy theme park. It's like owning a website, but in 3D. As more people join these worlds, the land can become more valuable. It's all about location, 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 just like the real world. A plot next to a popular area where lots of people hang out is worth more than one in the middle of nowhere. Some people have already flipped virtual land for huge profits. A few years ago, you could buy a plot for a few $100. Now, some of those same plots sell for tens of thousands or more. So how do you make money? First, buy and hold. Buy a piece in a promising project and hope the platform gets popular. If it does, demand goes up and you can sell for a profit. Second, develop it. Build an experience and charge people to use it. Build a nightclub and host virtual parties with a cover charge. Build a store and sell virtual clothes for avatars. But be careful. This is super high risk. The value depends entirely on the platform's success. Now for NFTs. You see this acronym everywhere. It stands for non-fungible token, a one-of-a-kind digital item you can own, like a digital signature proving you own the original. People are turning everything into NFTs, Art, music, videos, tweets. Digital art pieces have sold for millions. A new digital art market exploded out of nowhere. In the metaverse, NFTs are even more important. They are the building blocks of ownership. Virtual land parcels are NFTs. Limited edition virtual sneakers are NFTs. In-game trophies can be NFTs. You truly own your digital stuff. Keep it, show it off, or sell it on a marketplace. A whole new way to invest. People buy NFTs like collectibles. They look for cool art, strong communities, famous artists. They buy early hoping a collection blows up. If it does, prices can skyrocket, like buying a rookie card before the player becomes a superstar. Some turn a few hundred into hundreds of thousands. But here's the reality check. For every NFT that goes to the moon, thousands go to zero. The market is flooded with projects. Many are scams or bad ideas. Prices are incredibly volatile. $10,000 today, $10 tomorrow. Investing in NFTs is more like gambling. It can be fun and you could get lucky, but be prepared to lose everything. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. Seriously, if buying digital land and cartoon ape JPEGs sounds too crazy for you, don't worry. There is a much simpler, more traditional way to invest in the metaverse, and that is by buying stocks in the companies that are building it. This is probably the smartest place to start for most people. You are not betting on one specific virtual world or one NFT collection. You are betting on the entire trend that the metaverse will grow over time. Think about who's building this. Meta spends over $10 billion each year. Microsoft builds tools for work. Nvidia makes the graphics chips that power virtual worlds. Roblox runs a huge gaming platform. Epic Games makes Fortnite and builds major metaverse tech. These companies are the architects of the metaverse. Buying their stock is easy, through any normal brokerage account, much lower risk than buying an NFT. These are huge established companies with diversified revenue, so if metaverse plans take longer, the company likely won't disappear. Stocks still move with the market, but it's a more stable way to get exposure. It's investing, not gambling. Want to spread the bet? Look at a metaverse ETF. An ETF holds many stocks around one theme. Buy one ETF share, and you get instant exposure to all of them. Ultimate diversification. One company failing won't sink your entire investment. For beginners, this is a fantastic option. Alright, we've talked about the fun part, making money. Now we need to have a serious talk about the risks, because in the metaverse, the risks are massive. The number one risk is volatility. That's a fancy word for prices swinging up and down like a wild roller coaster. One day, a virtual asset can be worth a fortune. The next day, it can be worthless. Much of the value right now is based on hype and speculation. People buy hoping someone else pays more later. That creates bubbles. The bubble blinds pop. The second huge risk is regulation. Governments are just starting to figure this out. Crypto, NFTs, new digital economies. They could create tax laws. They could declare assets as securities and regulate them. They could ban certain things. New rules can appear out of nowhere and change everything. That uncertainty makes investing risky. What's legal today might not be tomorrow. Next up, technology and adoption risk. The tech needs to get a lot better and cheaper. VR headsets are still clunky and expensive. Virtual worlds are often buggy. These platforms need millions of active users to matter. Many projects won't attract audiences. They will die out. If nobody uses a platform, your investment goes to zero. Guaranteed. Finally, security risks and illiquidity. Hackers are everywhere. Crypto, NFTs, scams are common. Be careful. Even if your assets are safe, you might not be able to sell when you want. That's illiquidity. Some NFTs or virtual land may have no buyers. You could be stuck with an asset you can't get rid of, even at a lower price. So, you know the opportunities. You know the insane risks. If you still want to get in, you have to do it the smart way. You have to invest like a pro. Here are my 5 rules. Follow them. Do not skip them. Rule 1. Do your own research. I can't say this enough. Don't buy from influencers on Twitter. Read the project's white paper. Check the team's background. Are they experienced? Look for real active users on the platform. Spend hours or days learning before spending $1. Rule 2. Diversify. Don't put all your money into one thing. Not one plot of virtual land. Not one NFT collection. Spread your money around. Consider Metaverse stocks or ETFs. If trying NFTs, buy into several projects. Diversification is your best defense. Rule 3, start small. Use money you're okay losing. Money you'd spend on games or going out. Think of this as tuition. Buy a tiny NFT or a small slice of crypto. Learn wallets and marketplaces. Get comfortable before risking serious money. Walk before you run. Rule 4, use trusted platforms. The space has scams and shady sites. Stick to big, well-known platforms. NFTs, OpenSea or Magic Eden. Stocks, reputable brokerages. Crypto, Coinbase or Binance. Use a hardware wallet for large holdings. Don't click weird links. Don't trust random people in your DMs. Be paranoid. It will save you. Rule 5, stay updated. Follow official channels and project updates. Set alerts and reevaluate regularly. We're going to break down exactly what you need to do before you even think about investing $1. This is your mission, if you choose to accept it. So, here we are. We've gone through the good, the bad, the ugly of investing in the metaverse. It's a brand new exciting world filled with unbelievable opportunities, virtual real estate, game-changing NFTs, the chance to get in on the ground floor of the next internet. People who make the right moves could create life-changing wealth. It's a digital gold rush, and the race has already started. This is not a drill, it's happening right now. But it is also a minefield. It's incredibly risky. The volatility can give you whiplash. The technology is still early. Scammers are everywhere waiting for you to make one mistake. Many of these shiny new projects will end up being completely worthless. You could easily lose every single dollar you put in, and you need to be okay with that possibility before you start. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's the highest risk, highest reward game in town. You have to treat it with respect. Be curious, but be cautious. The metaverse is not something you should ignore. It is going to be a huge part of our future. You should absolutely start learning about it. Read articles, watch videos, join some Discord communities, and just listen. Create a digital wallet and see how it works. The knowledge you gain today will be a massive advantage tomorrow. Education is your most valuable investment, and it's free. Don't miss out on learning. If you decide to invest, follow the rules. Start small, diversify. Do your research, stay safe, treat it as a small speculative part of your overall investment plan. The metaverse is coming. It's going to be a wild ride. It will create new millionaires. It will crush those who are reckless. Be smart, be patient, be prepared. Now go out there and start learning. The future is waiting for you. Don't get left behind.